welcome back to my YouTube channel Driven Daily, and today we are diving into something special, a closer look at the upcoming 2026 Hyundai Tucson, a model that's been gaining attention for how it pushes the boundaries of what a modern compact SUV can be. Now, while Hyundai hasn't officially revealed every detail, the direction of their recent designs makes it clear that the next Tucson is aiming to stand out with sharper styling, upgraded tech, and a more refined driving experience. So let's imagine what this next generation Tucson brings to the road and why it has so many people talking. Right away, the first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior. Hyundai has been doubling down on bold, futuristic design language, and the 2026 Tucson seems to take that even further. Think sleeker lighting elements, more defined character lines, and a front fascia that carries that signature Hyundai identity while still feeling fresh and aggressive. The proportions look athletic, the stance looks confident, and overall it feels like Hyundai wants the Tucson to be not just practical but genuinely head-turning. This SUV is clearly designed for drivers who want everyday usability without sacrificing style. Now let's step inside, because the cabin is where Hyundai really seems to be flexing its creativity. Clean lines, ambient lighting, and a more minimalist dashboard layout all contribute to a modern, calming environment. Expect a wider digital display setup, an improved user interface, and smoother animations across the infotainment system. Hyundai has been focusing heavily on making their cabins feel premium without crossing into luxury brand pricing, and the 2026 Tucson fits that strategy perfectly. The materials feel more upscale, the seats more supportive, and the overall layout more intuitive. Whether you're driving to work or heading out for a long road trip, this interior is designed to make the experience feel seamless. Tech features are also leveling up. You can look forward to enhanced driver assistance tools, more advanced voice controls, and better smartphone integration. Hyundai has been refining their safety suite year after year, so the 2026 version is likely to include improvements in adaptive cruise control, lane centering, collision prevention, and more. Everything feels like it's designed to create confidence behind the wheel, whether you're navigating tight traffic or cruising at highway speeds. Under the hood, the 2026 Tucson is expected to continue offering a mix of traditional gasoline, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid options. Hyundai knows that drivers want flexibility, and that's exactly what they're delivering. Improved fuel efficiency, smoother power delivery, and quieter operation all play a part in making this next Tucson feel more polished and refined. And while we don't have exact numbers yet, the goal is clearly to make every version of the Tucson feel energetic enough for daily driving while still maintaining excellent real-world economy. On the road, the Tucson aims for balance. You can expect a ride that's comfortable without being too soft, handling that feels composed without being overly sporty, and steering that gives you just the right amount of feedback. Hyundai has been improving their suspension tuning and cabin insulation, so the 2026 model is shaping up to be quieter, smoother, and more stable than before. So if you're someone who wants an SUV that mixes style, practicality, efficiency, and modern tech, the 2026 Hyundai Tucson is shaping up to be a strong contender. It continues Hyundai's evolution and delivers a package that feels ready for the future. Thanks for tuning in to Driven Daily, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more car content coming your way.